Buddha.
What's going on, guys? It's your boy Trev. I love tapping in with another video, man. And we might got a problem with the BMW. So right now, I'm actually on the ground trying to diagnose what the hell is going on. So I got the car lifted up, and we're gonna look up under the hood. Up under the car, just to see. Because when I try to crank it, it makes a loud popping sound. Then it's smoking out of nowhere. So yeah, got it up off the ground, and see there's a couple leaks. Trying to see what's going on up here. You know what I'm saying? Trying to see what's going on. See, it's leaking from right there, which is not normal, and back there, right up there. So I'm gonna keep diagnosing some things, trying to see what's going on with it. And then we're gonna go from there. Alright. So currently, whenever I try to crank it, which I'll let y'all hear that in a second. When I try to crank it, it smells like oil. It smells like oil is burning as soon as I crank it. It's kind of weird. So right now, I just sprayed it down with degreaser. I'm letting it sit, and I'm gonna spray the engine down up under it. I'm spraying the undercarriage because it seems like it's coming from that. So, see, I'm just letting the degreaser sit right now because it's a lot of oil. I see oil everywhere. I'm trying to figure out what that is because it looks like older oil, but it could be mixed with the newer oil too. It's darker, so I know it's not from the new oil, you know what I'm saying? So, again, it's a project, it's a damn sure project, that's for damn sure, you know what I'm saying? So, right now she up in the air, and all the liquid you see down there is degreaser soaking into the undercarriage so I can spray it down. All right, guys. I'll be back. Alright, guys, so this is what the engine doing. I don't know what the fuck going on. See the smoke? I don't know where the smoke is coming from. Go ahead and cut it off. Go down to him.